And water service is back on, but a street in D.C.'s Congress Heights neighborhood could remain closed for days after a broken water main created a sinkhole. And that sinkhole threatened to swallow at least 3 cars, which had to be towed to safety. Crews now repairing 6th Street Southeast, that is just north of Mississippi Avenue.
Well, 11 days after Hurricane Florence made landfall in North Carolina, there's a new wave of evacuations in order for South Carolina. This the scene in Georgetown, about halfway between Charleston and Myrtle Beach. That's where forecasts are calling for the worst flooding in a lifetime starting tomorrow. That as the water from the storm dumped further inland flows towards the coast. So the troubles there far, far from over, which is just incredible when you think of when Florence made landfall.
Yeah, right.
They just can't get a break over there.
They can't. We were talking about, a lot of people think that the winds in a hurricane are the most destructive and damaging, and they are very damaging, but it's generally the water, it's generally the flooding that takes the life, takes the property, that type of thing. And like you said, almost 2 weeks now, 2 weeks close to, that we're seeing the results of that. Now that storm was remarkably high in terms of rainfall, but just incredible. And Florence is still offshore for those guys, not here. For us, it's a pretty quiet night. Certainly drier than it was last night. We're looking live here at National Harbor. Folks out, 80 degrees, the temperature right now. The humidity levels are up. The dew point is 72, and that is up there on the muggy meter. Anytime you have a dew point temperature, which is the temperature at which dew forms, the higher it is, the more moisture in the air. Whenever it's above 70 degrees, that is into the soupy territory. Our forecast is kind of all over the board with the dew point, the muggy meter, tonight and tomorrow, very soupy. It's going to stay like it is right now. But then a front comes through tomorrow. That's going to drop our humidity levels. On Thursday, it'll probably be very dry in terms of the humidity levels out there. Then Friday, it nudges up a little bit, but the next at least 24 hours, probably a little longer, we're going to have those high dew point temperatures. Just a couple of scattered showers around the area tonight. When we look at the overall big picture, it's far less than it was last night, and seeing some breaks in the clouds. So if you're heading on out to Nats Park, for example, tonight, very different than it was last night, where it was almost a little bit on the chilly side. Temperatures in the 60s with the cold rain that continued all night long. General thunderstorms category tonight, up to the north, back to the east. We could see some of those thunder and lightning bolts kind of fly around. At least the thunder, you'll hear that, see the lightning. And then tomorrow into the evening time, we're under that slight risk category from the Storm Prediction Center. That's the shade of yellow. It goes from central D.C. right down through sections of Fauquier County back to Culpeper and areas farther off to the west. That means scattered severe storms are possible. So let me give you the time frame. Tonight, just some lingering showers, but some breaks in the clouds. I think overall tonight, it's a decent night. Just a little sticky, and some breaks will help the development of fog, and that will be our morning time, some low clouds and some fog. Then mid to late morning, a break in those clouds, get a little bit of sunshine. That will help bounce those temperatures up. In fact, when we look at our noon temperatures here, we're already into the upper 70s and low 80s. So we're really bouncing those numbers around quite quickly. Then we get into the afternoon and early evening. We start to see a few showers develop. I'll pause this roughly 24 hours from now. We're still going to be watching back to the west. Temperatures for your evening drive tomorrow should be into the mid to low 80s around the region. So it'll have a little bit of a summer feel out there, certainly after coming from 2 days in the 60s. And then watch tomorrow night. This line of storms, generally 5 to 11 p.m., but we're really going to focus in on that 6 to 9 p.m. time frame. That's when we have that greatest chance for some of the rain to move through. And the rainfall shouldn't be out of control, but anywhere between a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of rain on the higher ends, as it will be quickly moving through the area. But the biggest threat for us is by far going to be the possibility of some strong to severe storms around the area. So as we look here at the 7-day forecast, if the computer wants to change, for some reason it doesn't want to for me. But I'll just tell you, we're going to go into the 80s tomorrow, and then we drop back down into the 70s as we roll into our Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend looking dry. Well, there goes to that map. Weekend is looking dry. It's going to be into the 70s. It has a mind of its own. We'll kick it into gear coming up in just a minute.
Out here, the 19th hole is where the real game begins. Go to Bermuda.com.
Mom and Dad got a new car with the extra 3rd row seats. They think it's theirs, but it's not theirs. It's mine. Mine.
The RX 350L with 3 rows for up to 7 passengers.
Are you excited about your baby sister coming?
Experience space for the unexpected.